The show was absolutely wonderful. Just one warning about how to access the tickets. The initial ticket that adds to your Apple Wallet does not have the seat information on it. You need to go into the app and retrieve the tickets with this information. I was at the box office and nearly got turned away, but we were thankfully able to sort it out. Step into the Kit Kat Club for an intimate and electrifying new production of Cabaret in London. Experience a world where everyone can be free, with standout performances by Eddie Redmayne and Jessie Buckley. Set in Berlin, the atmosphere encourages you to relax, loosen up, and be yourself. The show is held at the Kit Kat Club at the Playhouse Theatre in London. This production of Cabaret is set during a time of great change in the world. Guests are welcomed into an environment that celebrates freedom and self-expression. The performance features a star-studded cast, adding to the allure of this theatre experience.